We've got an 800-tonner crane lifting 7 beams weighing more than 50 tons. We are District Living Docklands today, and we are installing a major precast installation, our Hollowcore beam, which is part of our transfer slab right above a live plant room, and while the site is still running around. To make it work today, we modeled everything. We did a video sequencing from the model. It's composed of 7 beams, then we will install 10 planks.
To give us confidence that the install would go smoothly, we 4D model all elements prior to any works on site. So we've got a lot of elements going on today. We've got existing columns that we've extended in situ. We've got new precast columns, which then support the precast beams. We even went to the detail of modeling all the handrail and temporary elements as part of the install to ensure there was no clashes on site.
What made this milestone so special wasn't just the lift itself, but the number of people who helped make it happen. From the early concept and design development in new business, through to modeling, planning, logistics, and the installation on site. This was a true team effort involving our trade partners and consultants every step of the way.